Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check achievements on the Boom Beach application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. If you want to check the achievements, just click to the circle icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the stars button, the first option, and here you can check your achievements and you can upgrade your game profile if you play that, and you can check the progress about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.